What is your mum's best dish?
Mum's best dish has to be curry goat rice and peas with her coleslaw on the side. It's really good. She makes it every Sunday.
She makes really good kabli palau. It's like a rice. It's got meat and sounds weird, but it's got raisins. It's delicious.
My mum cooks a good Oreo cheesecake, and she wakes up early in the morning just to make it.
Macaroni pie, fried chicken, everything that she cooks is good. I learn from the best as well, innit? So I got sign.
Her meat burritos, it's like nice crunchy and there's meat in the middle.
Her best dish would be it's like stuffed grape leaves. And there's many variations of it in the Middle East, but I like our Iraqi, my mum's version's recipe. That's the best thing she makes.
Spaghetti and meatballs. It's just really simple, and I just really like the tomato sauce as well.
Her lasagna. Even though I hate some of the ingredients in there, she hides it so well that it makes it so good. Yeah, she's got magic.